Well, let's shift our focus to Morocco now. The country is currently experiencing one of the most significant economic transformations on the African continent. It is moving past its reliance primarily on its tourism and agriculture sectors, and it is becoming a competitive industrial and export platform at the crossroads of Africa, Europe, and the Atlantic. Now, according to its Ministry of Industry and Trade, the industrial sector expanded to $98 billion in national production and around $43 billion in exports. As a result, Morocco is now attracting sustained investment in the sectors of aerospace, the automotive sector, and also advanced manufacturing. Now, this month, a subsidiary of French aerospace group, Safran, signed a deal to set up a landing gear factory worth $332 million in the country that will supply the Airbus A32 airplanes. Now, this factory, which is expected to start production in the year 2029, is set to be one of the largest of its kind and places Morocco basically amongst the few nations worldwide who assemble aircraft engines. Now, investments such as this are now moving Morocco further into more complex and high-value technologies. And earlier, I spoke to Morocco's Minister of Industry and Trade, Riyad Mezzour, about the latest investment and, of course, the country's plans to move up the industrial value chain across various sectors. Take a look.
We are very proud about having achieved, after many years of effort, this complexity and this trust in manufacturing the most sensitive and the most complex components of the aeronautical sector. What is the target? The target, for sure, under the leadership of His Majesty, is to have final assembly of a commercial or a military plane in the next few years.
And of course, this project will now make Morocco one of the select few who assemble and produce airplanes going forward. So pretty significant. And would like to know how this strategy in the aerospace sector to move up that value chain is going to translate to other industries beyond aerospace, such as the automotive sector, for example.
Well, automotive sector, Morocco is African leader, has a capacity installed now to produce 1 million vehicles a year, and with an integration rate of 70%. That means 70% of the value of the parts that are assembled in Morocco are also made in Morocco. So we are very proud of what have been made in the automotive sector under the leadership of His Majesty the King. So translation is already happening between all sectors. Morocco is also the world leader in producing phosphate-based fertilizers, and we're very proud of that. Morocco is also the first exporter to Europe in terms of textile. But yes, the aeronautical sector is a sector that shows how complex our capability are, and if you are able to manufacture and to design a commercial aircraft engine in a country, that means you have reached a maturity and a complexity level that permits to host any type of technology and to develop any type of technology in the country.
Right. And in this growth, the development, the transition, we're now seeing Morocco emerge as a key manufacturing hub that links, of course, the African continent to European markets, and also as a hub for Chinese investments. Give us a sense of what gives Morocco that competitive advantage over other markets in Africa and around the world. And I'm curious to know, how does the Africa Continental Free Trade Area and, of course, its target to boost regional integration, how does that fit into your strategy?
So we have a stability in terms of political stability, but we have also a financial and economical stability. That means investors in Morocco or people that invest in the Moroccan manufacturing platform know that we will comply with our commitment, and there will be no change after 2 years or 3 years when the political situation is evolving. This is very important for investment. Second, we made our homework. So under the leadership of His Majesty, we developed our infrastructure. We developed the biggest and the most performing port of the Mediterranean and of Africa. It is the third best performing port in the world. And these are huge investment. We invested heavily also in renewable energy, and this is very attractive for manufacturing investors. We invested also in free trade agreements because we signed free trade agreement that give access to more than 100 countries, including the African continent. And we will focus after that on the African free trade free agreement zone. And we invested also in our people. Thanks to His Majesty, Morocco is providing talent now. 180,000 young people coming out from university every year, and 330,000 young capabilities coming out from professional training every year.